In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox Error Code 279. Roblox Error Code 279 indicates that your connection to the game server has been disrupted. This usually happens due to network issues, slow internet, or Roblox servers being unreachable. Now, there's actually many things that we could do in order to prevent this from happening. And the first thing that you guys should try doing is checking up on your internet connection. So you could do this easily by just going to your router and seeing if it's actually turned on. You could also go ahead and check on your device to see if the internet is connected. So yeah, mine is currently connected right over here, but if there's like a message over here that says error, then that does mean that you will need to go ahead and fix up your internet. So another thing that you guys should probably do is actually run a speed test. So you can go to any web browser like Google and then just look up internet speed test. And this is basically going to tell you how the performance of your Wi-Fi is. So let's go ahead and press on run. So as you're able to tell, our internet speed is pretty decent. So this is definitely a pretty good test to let you know that, whether if your internet is good or not. So yeah, as you're able to tell, it's all the way up here. So that means it's doing pretty well. However, if it's like towards this area in the lower numbers, then that could be the issue that is ultimately causing you to have internet connection, and that is giving you this error code. Okay, now if you're having slow internet, then what I recommend that you guys use is use a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi for better stability. And what I mean by that is try getting a Ethernet cable. Ethernet cables are extremely affordable, and essentially you need to connect it to your PC, and then on the other end of the Ethernet cable, you need to go ahead and connect that directly to your router. So your internet connection will be significantly faster with a Ethernet cable, and that is what I personally use in order to actually play Roblox. Now, another thing that you guys should probably do is disable any VPNs or proxies, as they can interfere with Roblox. So if you have any of those turned on while you're playing Roblox, then I suggest that you do turn them off in order for this to actually work better. Now, the next thing I recommend you guys do is check up on the number of devices connected to your internet. So if you have a single internet connection and there is way too many devices connected, I'm talking like 50 or like 30 devices connected, then that could be causing strain on your internet connection, and that's ultimately giving you this error code. So essentially, you want to make sure that only the devices that you are currently using are actually connected to the internet. So if you're not using a device, then I highly recommend that you guys disconnect it from the internet so that it does put less strain on your actual internet connection. Another reason this could be happening is that the Roblox server that you're trying to join is actually down. So you can go ahead and check this by opening up any web browser and just looking up the name of the game and then just asking if the servers are down. So let's say, for example, we're working with Pet Simulator and we're having trouble joining it. So what we need to do is we need to look up Pet Simulator, and then we need to go ahead and look up server status. All right, so once you went ahead and search that up, go to this website called downdetector.com, and over here it is going to tell you if there's any issues. So any big spikes that you do see over here, that does mean that there is some issues with the servers and that people are not actually able to connect to the servers. So it could be that Roblox is actually having the issue and it's not your device. So definitely go ahead and take a look at this.